hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello everyone, my name is Himan and the combo you just saw is my simple basic combo, and today I gonna teach you part 4 of my simple basic combo. And I already made 3 parts already. This is part 4. If you didn't watch part 1, 2, 3, then you have to check it out. Let's begin with part 4. Our part 3 is ended here, and our part 4 is obviously start from this position. And one thing more, the direction which I am gonna say is according to you, so don't worry about that. So from here your left hand goes up and your right hand is below your elbow. Okay, from here our one is like this, our left hand goes towards our right direction, 1, and our 2 this position down, 2, and left hand goes towards left, 3 and 4. It's like a same you are making a box from your left hand like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, the thing is the position is this one. Okay, else is same. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, easy now. So from here our 1, 2, 3, 4, our 5 is gonna like this. Okay, in this step our left hand goes towards right and our right hand goes towards our left like this. We use both at same timing like this. 5. Okay, let's repeat it so you're gonna get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, easy. Congratulations, you are halfway to complete this combo. So from here our left hand moves like this. Okay, and our right hand moves up like this. So if we do it in a both timing, then it looks like that. Okay, so let's repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for our 7 our elbow moves downwards like this. And remember one thing, when we are moving our elbow down, our hand don't have to move. Okay, in this step only our elbow moves. From our wrist our hand don't have to move. 6, 7, and for our 8 our right hand moves forward and left hand moves backward like this. The thing is we have to place in this position. Okay, then it looks like this. 8. Okay, for our 9 it separates 9 and 10, the same motion, reverse. Okay, now right moves towards your main direction and left moves towards this. Okay, let's repeat it from 5, 6, 7, 8, separates 9 and back to position, 10. So one time I'm gonna repeat the whole steps, 10 steps for you, so you can get it right and correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pulls, 6, elbow down, 7, 8, separates 9 and 10. And in normal speed it's look like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And this is part 4, and I already made 3 parts. So if we combine this and another parts, then its total makes 40 steps, and I'm gonna perform it for you 40 steps. Okay, so let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 and finally 40. So thank you for watching, and part 5 will come very soon, this week or next week. And please subscribe and like this video. So, and thank you for watching. So take care and watch my another tutorials, simple basic combos, which are showing after this clip, and the same video you can find in the description. Okay, so take care.